Okay, so this is the circuit which we are going to build now. This is a circuit for our second program, which is for fading of LED, fade LED. Previous program was blink LED, now this is fade LED, fading of LED. Okay, so let us create the circuit first. Let us make our connections. Same LED of 2 volt 20 milliampere is used in this example also, and same carbon resistor of 200 ohms we are going to use. Why we are using this 200 ohm resistor? Just to limit the amount of current flowing through the LED, so that the LED should not get any damage. Okay, so if you know the Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R, so just by putting V is equal to 2 volt and I is equal to 20 milliampere, could actually know the minimum resistance value that is recommended to be connected in series with the LED. So let us make the connection almost similar to the previous example. One of the terminal of the resistor is connected to the longer leg of the LED, right? So we are connecting the longer leg of LED to one end of the terminal, one terminal of the carbon resistor, and the other terminal of the carbon resistor is connected to pin number 9 of Arduino Uno board. So let us change the color code first, this black color wire, because we are actually making the positive connection, so let us use this red wire. Okay, so longer leg of the LED is connected to a carbon resistor of 200 ohms, and the carbon resistor's other terminal, other end is connected to pin number 9 of Arduino Uno board. Okay, fine. Now the shorter leg of LED will be connected to ground. Okay, so let us use that connecting wire, black color connecting wire. The shorter leg of LED is connected to the ground on Arduino Uno board, G and D terminal, ground. Okay, so only this much circuit is enough for this program, which is fade LED program, fading of LED. Blinking of LED we have seen in the previous video. This is fading of LED. So wiring is completed here. Let us now go and check the coding, the program for this project. So I have already written the program in the Arduino software. Just open the software and click on file, new, and write this program. So here we have actually defined three integers. Int LED is equal to 9, which is basically saying that the pin number 9, the LED is getting power from pin number 9. Int brightness is 0, int fade amount is equal to 5. Void setup, pin mode, LED output, void loop. Then after that it was the loop circuit. Okay, so brightness will take. Now Just make the USB connection to the Arduino Uno and load that program into the Arduino board and see the output. As you can see here, that the LED is not actually blinking, but it is gradually dimming, and again it is gradually glowing. So this is basically a fading of LED. So let us make some changes to our program and see what is the effect on its output. So what are the possible changes? Delay, you may change that delay to some other value and see what happens, right? So 30 you may change it to 500 and see what happens. So 500 is a bigger delay. So as you can see that now the LED is consuming more time in dimming. So to fade down, it is consuming more time. Why? Because we have increased the delay from 30 to 500. Okay, right? 30 means 30 millisecond to 500 milliseconds simply. Still the LED is high. Okay. So likewise you can make many changes and just see the changes in the output. This is very simple. No complexity in the circuit diagram, no complexity in the program. Okay. Program is int LED is equal to 9, int brightness is equal to 0, int fade amount is equal to 5. Void setup, pin mode LED comma output, void loop, which is analog write LED comma brightness. Brightness is equal to brightness plus fade amount. If brightness is less than equal to 0 and brightness greater than equal to 255, then fade amount is equal to minus fade amount. Delay is 30. So when the brightness will take value from 0 to 255, after that the status will reverse. Fade amount is equal to minus fade amount. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 255. Till then the brightness will increase and then it will decrease. It will fade. So simply I am making few changes, and after making few changes, loading the program again and again just to see the changes in the output. Now see, int brightness is also 0, int fade amount is also 0. LED is not at all blown up. It is not at all glowing because the same value is assigned to brightness as well as fade amount. Now brightness is 5, fade amount is 0. LED is glowing. Now what we have done, if brightness less than equal to 0 and brightness greater than equal to 50, it is fading up and down very fast, very fast, because we are not providing the time to the brightness value to increase from 0 to 255. We were providing it to just to go up to 100 and reverse. Now look at this. Now the brightness is not going to the minimum value, because we have said that it will go from 100 to 255. Now 0 to 255. Minimum to maximum. What if we change int LED is equal to 10? The LED will not glow. Reason? That our wire is connected at the pin number 9 of the Arduino Uno. But we have assigned a different variable now. We have assigned that LED is now 10. Pin number 10. Connected to pin number 10. It will not glow. Again, if we make it to LED, int LED is equal to 9, it will glow again, because it is actually connected to pin number 9. Acha. So we will see some other project, some other connection, some other wiring diagram, some other circuit, some other program in the next video. Next video would be on use of push button, on and off. So we will create a new program using the push button. How to use the push button to on and off the LED. That we will create in our next video. So this is the second one. Thanks for watching.